Vovoto International Foundation. For the first time in the world, the complete solutions for your blockchain investment. A one-stop shop for all your online trading needs. Vovoto makes it happen, delivering across multiple investment platforms for forex, crypto or arbitrage, while assuring speed, security and ease of use. Hard to find assured high returns on your investment in the blockchain? Vovoto again comes to the party, ensuring invaluable rewards consistently to customers. For this, we have 4 exquisite B2B products that cater to all your blockchain, crypto trade and investment requirements. B2B Global Wallet, a safe and secure wallet for all your cryptocurrencies. B2B Global Token, utility token for decentralized applications. B2B Global Pay, pay fast, pay easy and pay secure. B2B Global Exchange, world best crypto and P2P exchange. Everything under one umbrella and on the go. Let's explore features of our B2B products. B2B Global Wallet, a simply impregnable cryptocurrency wallet that offers you the ability to store or buy crypto using INR, GBP and Euro currencies. All-in-one wallet supports multiple cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum and others. You also get additional flexibility of withdrawals within just 30 days, along with rich rewards of up to 6% on your investments each month. Ultimately, you enjoy outstanding passive income with zero commissions or fees. While we are confident of fulfilling all the committed rewards, bear in mind that they are subject to market risks and therefore cannot be guaranteed. B2B Global Token, our go-to offering for decentralized apps that can store, send and receive B2B tokens from all Ethereum platforms like MetaMask, Trust Wallet and all Ether-based wallet. As a native ERC777 token, which can be paired with every major cryptocurrency in the world, its speed and ingenuity is class-leading, with all this backed by 24/7 support. Since this is a utility token, it can be used for a variety of end objectives, be it mobile charges, bill payments, online shopping, travel bookings, and much more. B2B Global Pay. End-to-end payments become a cakewalk since the platform offers complete flexibility to sell bitcoins, including on a peer-to-peer short P2P basis. Transfers are made secure and fast thanks to brilliant features such as easy dashboard, multi-layer security, as well as setup which is super quick and easy. B2B Global Exchange. B2B Global Exchange is your platform to trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in minutes. It is backed by robust features such as powerful trading API, multi-currency pairing with security as well as a direct bank transfer facility. Clearly, we provide you with the best trading experience at your fingertips. Ultimately, with Vovoto International, you get the world's finest and most secure platforms which we have so much faith on that we offer 7 days money-back guarantee on them, along with stupendous customer support. To know more, you can visit us on www.b2bglobalwallet.com and subscribe to your trial right away.